Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out some micro links. I did go ahead and order some 18-inch 3C4A Kinky Curly links. I only got one pack with the little kit that was like an extra $5.99. So I'm just showing you guys what everything looks like fresh out of the bag. This is the hair. I have the loop, I got the beads, and the pliers that come with it. So I do micro links professionally for my clients, but I have not installed them on my own hair in years. So I was so happy to actually try out some micro links that match my texture. So therefore I don't have to be worried about heat damage or, different textures in my hair whenever it rains or whatnot. So I did want to kind of lighten up these a little bit. So I did use some 20 volume developer and some bleach from Kenra. I decided at the end, once I installed them, that this was not the look I was going for, y'all. I'm sorry. In my head, I had a completely different look. And then once I put the micro links in, I just really wasn't feeling it. So I decided to go in with a dark purple rinse from Adore. I think it's African Violet. I will show it to you guys at the very end of the video. So I applied this bleach and I let it sit for about 25 minutes till it got to like a copperish reddish brown color. All right, now into the good part. So I'm going to leave in this at real time just so you can kind of get an idea about how long it takes to install your own microlinks. Now, I did, y'all, I was so into this new show I was watching. I did not use a mirror, nothing. I'm literally sitting on my couch watching TV as I did this. So excuse these ugly parts. Yeah, it doesn't really matter on my hair. Now, if this was a client, this would strongly bother me, but it's my hair, so it doesn't really matter. So you're going to part out your hair to the size according to the micro links. I usually use like a smaller, neater part. I usually like my micro links to be my part to be about double of the micro link, so I have enough space for my hair as well as the link. So basically you part your hair, you go ahead, you put the bead on the loop first, and then you put your hair through the loop and pull through. And then once the bead is attached to your hair, you're going to slide the link in there. Now, be careful because you don't want that link to touch your scalp because it will irritate you. And you don't want your knot to be so tight that it pulls and irritates. So it's okay to give yourself a little wiggle room. You want that so that way you can manipulate your hair, move it around without it irritating your scalp. So once again, I put the bead on the loop first, and then I pull my hair through the loop all the way. And then I slide the link in, and then I use my pliers to clamp it in place. So just a reminder, don't touch your scalp with anything. It will be very uncomfortable and painful for you or your client. So that's pretty much all that I'm going to show you guys on here. I don't want to bore y'all showing you the same thing over and over again. But if you've used micro links before, or you like them, dislike them, let me know in the comments. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the coloring process. I want to mention that I had a couple of friends help me out at the top. They really helped me out because they like sped up the process tremendously. So, shout out to them. All right, y'all, so this is me fresh out of the shower, just shampoo, no conditioner, because I want to make sure that the color takes. So I cut the hair kind of into the shape of my natural hair because I didn't like that like short, long look. So I kind of tapered it. You can see it better when it's dry because I cut it dry so it could keep the shape. So I'm going to go ahead and add the color and all of that. All right, y'all. So I'm using the Adore in African Violet. My hair is pretty light in the back. And then I went over it with like a dark blue. So I don't know what it looks like now. I'm sure it's faded to like a greenish color. So I wanted to cover that anyway. So I want this to look basically black and just have like a tinge of purple whenever I go out into the sun. But I'm okay with this looking black. I just really don't want these light tips. I feel like it'll blend a little bit better because since I cut it, it just wasn't giving what it needed to give. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my whole head. I'm just gonna take this top off, y'all. I'm just gonna saturate my entire head. I'm gonna use 1 bottle for each side of my head, okay? Also, if you do not know, I'm on the journey of growing out all of my colored hair or previously colored hair. So I had bleached my hair several times and then did like, you know, what do you call them, fashion colors. So I'm in the process of growing that out. So that's why I've been chopping at my hair so much. So if you see it going the opposite direction of long, that's the reason why. Because I'm trying to cut out all of that color. I just want healthy hair. And as you know, these semi-permanents don't do anything to your hair but deposit, so there's absolutely no damage. So while y'all watch me work this through my hair, I did want to mention that my store, Parker J's Hair Care, is having a sale. If you're watching this video, it's probably Black Friday. We are having up to 60% off all of our products. We also have a buy one, get one sale, travel sizes for $5, and much, much more. So go ahead and check out my website, parkerjshaircare.com. If you catch this outside of Black Friday, use the promo code MILAB and you'll still save 20 to 25% off of your purchase. Also, go ahead and follow your girl on Instagram at ParkerJs_, and my personal Instagram at MilaB_A. I don't have a big enough shower cap, so I'm gonna be real resourceful. And I should have kept my gloves on. Shit, I don't want to mess up my nails. I'm gonna try to capture all my hair in the bag. I might have missed some. Did I catch it all? No. I don't want to mess up my nails. We're gonna use this old towel. Tip that in there. There we go. Yeah, when you're doing this, do this on some, make sure you got on some old raggedy clothes that you don't care about. And an old raggedy towel. Oh. All in there. All right. For real this time, bye. All right, y'all, so I am done. I do have a little filter because your girl is looking a little rough. But I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. I live in Texas, so it's very humid and my hair does. So I'm going to stop touching it. But you see that you can see the difference if you look close. Now, from far away, no. But from up close, you can definitely see the difference in my hair and these micro links. So for me, I think it's just really easier for a sew-in or clip-ins where I don't have to do my hair as well as the hair. So it is good quality hair. It does shed a lot, but yeah, I think this is gonna be my last time. But let me know what you guys think, and I'll see y'all on my next video.